I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why.
Good morning, guys. I'm sitting at Target, waiting for them to open so that I can film. A bullseye playground shop with me. So hopefully they are fully stocked and have everything. I've been seeing a lot of Farmhouse decor that they have in the dollar spot, and I've been wanting to get some, but my Target is so, it's not small, but they don't really care too much about their dollar spots. So I'm hoping that they have some good stuff and it's fully stocked. So it's 7:50. They open in 10 minutes and I'm like so excited. I don't know why, but I am. Anyway, stay tuned for the video. So right away I noticed that it's January 1st because all the workout stuff is in full gear. Like they had jump ropes, they had yoga mat straps, they had socks, they had water bottles, and they were really cute stuff. Had I not had enough from previous years of trying to get into shape, I would have gotten some, but I already own all this stuff already. So they had a pretty good selection. So if you're in the market for workout stuff, Target Dollar Spot has some amazing deals. So go check out Target Dollar Spot and get yourself some workout stuff and get your butt in gear. Well, get your butt in fit, or get your, I don't know, just go to Target Dollar Spot and go give them all your money, because that's what I do. And yeah, this bag right here, the workout bag, it's a tote sack. They're calling it a tote sack, and it's pretty good quality. These candles are so cute. They are adorable, but I only burned Bath and Body Works, so I didn't grab any. But they're pretty cute. They have pretty cute stuff. These were more like spa. Like if you want to treat yourself at home, you could, you know, go ahead. They had this oil diffuser. It's really small, but I did go ahead and grab one of their essential oil. I don't know how good it is, but I'm gonna try it, and it was only $1 for the essential oil, so I went ahead and grabbed that. And it had slippers and eye mask, and that gel eye mask. I should have grabbed that, but I was too caught up in trying to record this stuff that I didn't even realize what I was touching. You know, Target Dollar Spot, you never know. You go in there and you're just like, oh, you get so confused. I could spend hours going around and around that little place. It's just a tiny little aisle, and I could spend hours going around looking at the same thing, like, okay, I'm gonna miss something. They had these little baskets, these little white baskets. They had the big one, and then they had the small one, and they didn't have enough, or else I would have got some and redo the girls' closet, but they didn't have enough. And there go the essential oil for $1. So I just went ahead and grabbed it. It was the only one. It was the only one. So I'm going to be stalking Target to see if I see any more. And of course, my Target is small, and I don't think they really care too much about their dollar spot, but or they probably do, and the people just go crazy, because when I got there at 8 a.m. The stuff was already picked over, or it looked like they were trying to get it out on the shelf. So I only caught a little bit of the Farmhouse stuff, and none of it was like, you know, take me home with you, you know. I like really good quality stuff, and even though their stuff has come a long way since they started this whole thing, nothing really caught my eye in that section that I wanted to take home. The pictures, I wasn't willing to pay $5, so I'll wait until they have their 50% off, and if they still have them, I'll just go ahead and grab them. But I wasn't willing to pay $5 for a small little pictures. Their little dish towels, though, I did pick up a few of their dish towels, and I picked up one set. That's about it. That one right there. They had this stuff right here. I wasn't really quite sure what it who it was more geared towards. I think mostly, you know, teenage girls. They had storage bins, like little storage bins that you could put on your wall. Are they called storage bins or something else? But these little baskets are cute, but they're way too small for my preference. They did have these little storage bins and stuff. So I think it's mostly, you know, young girls or stuff. Or, you know, if you have a craft room, you could put that in your craft room and stuff. And yeah, I mean, this is my first video, so what do I know? You know what I mean? So ho 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 ho. Target outdid themselves this year with the hot cocoa stuff. These are such good qualities. Like, if you know anything about hot cocoa station, bar, whatever you may call it, you know that Target outdid themselves this year in the dollar section, because these little tea towels and the little mugs, the clear mugs with the little saying on them, the hand towels, the shaker jars, all of that. And then they had these little cute, even though I only found 2 signs, they outdid themselves with the signs. Like, they're so adorable, and I'm on the hunt. And this little lantern right here, oh my gosh, that came home with me. That came home with me. It had to go in the cart, because I'm just like, no way. This stuff looks like art in hand. And this little banner right here, I was just distracted by my toddler that, you know. And then they had this mug blackboard that you could write on. I didn't get it because I already have a lot of stuff. And this little sign that says, "In this kitchen we dance," because we totally do dance in our kitchen. So they had a lot of really cute stuff that I could spend days in Target dollar spot just going broke for no reason. I don't know why. I had to have that. Like, yes, it came home. I didn't get the banner though. I wanted to get the banner, but I did get the stickers. I got the stickers. There's a lot that I'm going back for, and my husband is not gonna be happy. But guess what? Yeah, this is the first for Target. And I am just, they outdid themselves. So give yourself a hand, Target. You did a really good job. I only found these 2, and I think they're coming home with me. Yeah. So we found those 2. And then I need to pick one of these guys. I like this guy. Peppermint hot cocoa. I like that guy. I think this could stay up all year. What's the matter? What's the matter? You want to come out? My toddler was not having it. She was over it. But they also had these napkins. They were 4 for $3, and they had all the colors. They had blue, green, and I don't remember which other, but I think there was blue and green. So if you're looking for napkins, Target Dollar Spot has them, and they also had these little cubbies. This is the only pillow they have. I think they already put their stuff out, and people already came. I love this planter right here. I wanted to get it, but I decided this year I'm just not gonna clutter my home with stuff. So I kind of like left it there. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
chasing whatever kills. For so long, I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops counting eyes in the